Tim Moore here with TLC Floor Care, and we're here in Smyrna at our hotel that we do a lot. And today it's the first of the year, and we're just coming to do some general stuff. There's a red stain we're going to be working on right there. I got my trusty steamer. I've got some red relief to work on it. This is some new stuff, so we're going to see how it works. And then we're doing like the conference room, the little luggage carts, little things like that. But anyway, that's what we're taking care of today in Smyrna, Tennessee. Tim Moore, TLC Floor Care. Join me as we take care of the red stain. Let's see if we get any transference. No. No transference at all. Yet. We're going to run our steamer on it and see. Okay, you see that? Now, as you've seen, before I started using the steamer, there was no transference. But the steam activates the chemicals that does the actual getting of the red stain out. So now I'm getting yellow, which is probably some of the red starting to come out slowly. So the steamer's activated the chemicals that's going to actually get the red to disappear. But we got to use heat or steam in order to do it. So we're going to continue working on it and see what we can get, how much of it we can get out. Tim Moore, TLC Floor Care. And here we are, post-treat. You can actually see just a little bit of it right here. It's actually, from an angle, you can't see it as bad. But what essentially it's done is we kept going and going and going until we stopped getting any transfer on the towel. So when we stopped getting transfer on the towel, we knew it had released as much red as it would. This makes it look a lot better. This is wet, so it's going to look a little different when it's wet, but when it dries, there'll be a very light tint, but not like it was. It'll make it look good. That's all that's going to come out of this. And I can tell because no more transfer. No more transfer is not going to release anymore. But we steamed it like 2 or 3 times. I kept putting red relief on it, red reducer on it each time until we got it to where it looks good. Tim Moore, TLC Floor Care.